Assalamu alaikum and a very happy Eid to all. Welcome to another video of Fish on Wheels. Today we are going to set up this tank. This is a standard 2 feet by 1.5 feet tank, and as you can see the aquarium is in running condition. So we are going to rearrange the available stuff in this tank, and we will add some more design elements to it to enhance the overall look. We will use the same lighting and the filtration system available, and we will keep these fishes. So this is going to be really interesting. Stay tuned and let's see how it goes. We have drained all the water. Now we will take out the gravel and we will make the tank empty. We will replace this wallpaper with the black paint. This wallpaper was pasted with the help of silicone. Now we have to do intense cleaning of this tank to remove these silicone marks. Silicone is all over the place. We have removed the gravel and the tank is empty now. Now we will do the cleaning. We have cleaned the glass. Now we will paint it black. We are done with the hardscaping of the tank, and now it's time to add the water. Time to add fishes back to the tank.